man. I didn't hear it. Oh my gosh. You want to do it? You want to race? Spot. Oh, sorry baby. Are you enjoying your new resting spot? Things that you find in the shade. What's going on, Desert Rats? Welcome to the channel. Just got done with a little bit of work, finished a project. Now I'm starting off the weekend. It's Thursday. We're actually starting a project for I'm gonna redo the set. I'm actually gonna redo I don't know why I can't figure this out. Holy crap. What is that thing called? Holy cow. My goodness, it's a house, you sleep in it. Bedroom set. Gonna redo the bedroom set. I'm gonna start with the actual bed frame because it's a dark wood right now, and she wants it to be like a gray or a black stain throughout the whole thing. So I gotta go get all the stuff. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is real nice. Oh, you guys want to sit with me? You should come sit with me. We're waiting on Brittany. I don't know where she's at. Oh gosh. Look at this. I don't know. I'm not sure what it's called.
So there's not really anything.
Oh, that is what we need right there.
Big things.
Look at that. Woo. Huh?
There's no big things. That
Are you gonna clean my truck?
no.
Look how dirty it is. Wait, but I have birthday presents in here.
Oh, I already took it.
You already took it? It's that small. I wanted a big present. Now I don't get to see what's in here or nothing. How am I supposed to know what I'm getting if I can't? Oh my gosh, what is it? It's kitty litter. It's kitty litter. All right, now for the weekend, we are going to be babysitting a dog, Sophie. What was that? I didn't hear it. Oh my gosh. You want to do it? You want to race? Oh my gosh, are you really about to race me right now? Hey baby.
Come here, baby.
Sophie! Sophie! Sophie, where are you, baby? Sophie! Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, boo-boos. Look how good she is. All right, for the birthday, I gotta get a, if you've ever heard of a beer chicken, I think it's, no, she's gone. Beer chicken, beer. You put a chicken on the beer. Ah, there it is. All right, this thing right here. So you put a beer in this, you put a chicken on top of it, right up you grill it, and then it becomes nice and juicy. So, what are you doing? Who's that? Oh, look at it. Hey, ow, she beat me. Oh, there's things flying.
Yeah, let's go get the mail. Does that sound good, baby?
All right, we're home. They went to go get the mail. I need to get everything out of the truck, but look at this garage. Oh my, I need some organization, so I think I'm gonna start doing some of that. She's good for a walk? What are you doing? What are you doing?
We had to walk on the road. She wouldn't leave the sidewalk alone. I'm tired.
I'm tired. Let's go see.
Oh, is that a treat box for Sophie? Sophie, hey, look, treat. Oh no, you want to go in, don't you?
She's like, what's going on? I see something going on. I don't even know where it is. Welcome to our humble abode. It's a mess. It's a mess, yes. Yeah, we gotta, oh, there's your bed.
I have yours, so you're good.
Oh, really? Let me see.
No.
Come here.
James.
What?
James.
Babe.
Out.
What? Eh.
Out.
You're so mean. Babe, please. Please. It's tomorrow.
Throw away your
No, we still need to eat that. Did you guys see this?
Ew.
Look at
I'm
it.
not eating that.
What do you mean you're not gonna eat it? It's beautiful. You should throw it, or we should shoot it with something. What do we have that we could shoot?
Do not disappear, Sophie.
The fact that you're having to walk her right now like that is just hilarious. I need to clean up all this. Like really just organize it all.
$92.
What?
$92.
What is it? Ooh, she's officially a student!
Ooh, that's cool.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Hey! Your gun ball.
She's playing with the gun ball? Babe, look what I got. The tarp. The Pelican case.
Is
And
it
then-
airtight?
It's
Or
yeah, it's
water?
a pressure one. The water
Waterproof?
pressure whole thing. Oh, what did you get?
A hanging cat scratcher.
Oh.
Really?
Time to clean the shed. Where's the shed? There's gonna be so much organizing I gotta do. Alright, almost done. Got that whole corner cleared out. Now it's all this crap.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Sophie, how are you enjoying your new resting spot? Oh, sorry, baby. Are you enjoying your new resting spot? Are you enjoying it? The things that you find in the shed. Babe, what about this one? You put it on that table.
Down below?
Alrighty, guys, I got it all done. Got it all packed away so I can walk in here and actually use this desk now. It's not the beautiful desk. Well, that pretty much took all day. As you guys can tell, I'm still pretty new at doing this whole vlogging thing, but the first video that I put up is just kind of like just the first week of just doing stuff. It was kind of just, I wasn't really kind of getting used to the camera, all that kind of stuff, and now we got our first full day of just stuff to do. But thanks for watching. Subscribe and like if you did enjoy it.